greetings! Thanks for joining me here in my kitchen. I'm gonna bake some cookies today and test out my new bakeware that I ordered from Amazon.com. That's Mila Rose. She is going to be my baking assistant today. Say hi.
Hi.
These are my new cookie sheets by Nordic Ware. Yep, got them from Amazon.com. Nordic Ware is family owned and operated and made in the good old US of A. I also got a Nordic Ware cooling rack. Look at how big this is. Betty Crocker Sugar Cookie Mix is what I like to use. I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of white whole wheat flour, 1 stick of butter, which is half of a cup, and 1 egg. This is for all holiday cookies, but our holiday that's coming up tomorrow is
Valentine's Day!
Valentine's Day. So we're just doing heart cutout cookies today. 375 degrees, sugar cookie mix. I've already melted my stick of butter. Then 1 egg. No shells, no shells. Ah, no shells. Success. That's pretty level. How many was that? 3? And how many did we need? 3. We're done. Okay, so we have all of our ingredients. We're gonna stir it together. Okay, I think it's pretty much at the point where you can stir it.
Okay.
So you want to give it a little stir? We got our cookie dough all mixed up. Now we're gonna roll it out with our rolling pin. I'm gonna go get my big cutting board and roll it out on the cutting board.
Wow, that's huge.
Yeah, it's huge. It's a big cutting board, but it's perfect for rolling out cookie dough.
Lots of cookie dough. Hooray!
What's Mommy's favorite food group?
Butter!
Butter!
Butter, butter. So yummy for your tummy.
Butter, yummy for your tummy. So I haven't had to use any flour, and it's rolling out really easily. I originally purchased these for Mila Rose's 5th birthday party. We were making heart-shaped turkey sandwiches for her princess party. And now we're actually using them for cookies.
Which they're supposed to be used for.
That's what they're supposed to be used for, exactly. Going into the oven right now. I just put 5 minutes on my timer. Now we're gonna fill up the second cookie sheet. You ready? Now I'm gonna take the leftover dough from our cutouts. I'm gonna smush it into a big ball. I'm gonna roll it back out and we're gonna cut some more hearts. You know what I'm thinking? We can just put these in. Let's just put these in and get these baking.
Yeah.
Right? We might as well let these start to bake.
Go, go! Go, go! Go, go! Go, go! Go, go!
Turn around and show the camera the cookie face that you were just making when you said
Cookies! 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 Cookies!
6-year-olds get excited over cookies. Timer's going off. I'm going to check the first tray of cookies. This is what they look like at 5 minutes, and I think we can cook them longer. I'm going to flip the tray around and do another 1 to 2 minutes.
Happy Valentine's Day!
Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, timer. Okay. 1 more minute. Okay, here we go. There's our first sheet of cookies. Done.
Delicious! One more try of cookies. Hooray!
We finished baking all of our cookies. The pans are hot, but we've been letting them cool for a few minutes. We're gonna move them onto our big cooling rack now. Our 30 heart cookies fit perfectly on the cooling rack. I thought we weren't gonna have enough space, but they fit perfectly. There, now you can see 30 heart-shaped cookies fit on my large cooling rack from Nordic Ware. Awesome! Tomorrow we'll be frosting with buttercream frosting. I use it on cakes, cupcakes, and cookies. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Now that you've seen the 3 types of cookies that I'm decorating with purple sprinkles, red, white, and pink sprinkles, and gold sprinkles, that's basically it. I'm just gonna keep going through that 3 different sprinkle rotation until I get these all frosted and decorated, and then I have to run and pick up the girls from school. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you next time. Take care.